Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use video templates on TikTok. So you can actually use photos for this as well. I'm just going to select a few photos here and I'm going to select next. And again, you can use videos for this, but I'm just going to use photos. Then actually I can't use photos. Okay, put it to video and not photos. So select the video instead, like here, because I was on photos, as you can see. And then you're just going to see there's a templates button and you're going to select that, and it's going to process a video for you and it's going to create a really cool video for you. You can also change the template here. There's a lot you can choose from, like even the shakes and stuff like that. And you're just going to press save. If you don't like the music, just like change it. I don't think you can change it. Okay, can't change the music, but that's how you can like use templates, I guess, on TikTok. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!